That might cause a fight somewhere. Yeah, I'm getting ready to put the inner valve springs in. Got the valve cover off. Took the cap, all the wires off. Need to pull the spark plugs out. Stick some compressed air in the cylinders. Take the stud grill off. Do each one individually, one at a time. So, when I get this side done, I'll do the other side. You don't have to address the alternator issue. Another thing too, it doesn't look right. That doesn't want to go in right, and to me it looks crooked. Like these holes are too far out. That does not screw in worth a crap. To me it looks like it should be about right there, which is about a half a bolt hole off. So I'll have to cut that, slide that in, and re-weld it. The cheap water pump's getting to be a pain in the butt. Guess you get what you pay for. I got one changed. The other one's ready. A bunch more to do. All the double springs are in on this side. And I gotta switch to the other side. Now I'm getting started on the second side. Got all the inner springs in on the second side. And I just need to adjust all the valves. Got half the valves adjusted. I need to turn it over one turn and do the rest of them. And then I'll be done. Alright, all the valves are adjusted. I need to clean up the stud grills and put them back on. And then we can put the valve covers back on. And then fire it up again. Alright, got the stud grills back on, both sides. Valve covers are next. Valve covers are on. Distributor cap and wires are all on. Got one plug left to put in on this side. I don't know if you can read that or not. That might cause a fight somewhere. But they are made in the USA. Awesome.